In this video, we'll learn how to mark attendance manually from Manager and Admin Portal. First, log into Admin panel. Go to Manager Attendance. Select the first option, Attendance. Click on Monitor Attendance. Click on Add New. For check-in details, select the employee. Select the time in. Select the timeout. Then next. Here you can change the shift details if you want to assign the day or night shift as per your priority. Then if you want to pay overtime, then yes, otherwise no. Next, you can select the shift rules. Next, select the breakup details as per your priority, full day, absent and half day. Then next, and here in last you can check the shift summary, effective hours, applicable hours, employee information, shift details, timeout, then shift breakup, then save. Your employee attendance has been marked manually. Thank you.